Signing up for an Uber Eats driver account in 2025 is an easy process that allows you to start earning extra money by delivering food orders in your local area. To get started, you'll need to download the Uber Driver app, which is the same app used for both Uber Rides and Uber Eats. You can find it in your App Store or Play Store. Simply head over there, search for Uber Driver, then download it. Once it has been downloaded, click on Open App. The first thing the app will ask is permission to access your location. It's best to select Allow while using the app since location data helps Uber match with your nearby deliveries and track your progress accurately. After allowing access, the screen will display Welcome to the driver app and you click Continue. You'll then be prompted to enter either your phone number or email address. It's often easier to use your phone number as it makes account verification and communication more seamless. After entering your number, Uber will send you a verification code that you'll need to input in the app to confirm your identity. Once verified, the app will ask for permission to send you notification. Go ahead and allow them, as these alerts are important for keeping track of new delivery requests, earnings, and updates. After logging in, you'll reach the main dashboard of the Uber driver app. You'll see a red bar or notification that says there are steps you need to complete before you can begin driving. Tap on the notification to start setting up your driver profile. If you've ever had a previous Uber account, some information might already be stored, which can save your time. However, if this is your first time signing up, you'll need to complete all sections manually. One of the main requirements for becoming an Uber Eats driver is a background check. This ensures the safety and reliability of the platform for both drivers and customers. The app will guide you through the background check process where you'll have to agree to Uber's terms and consent to review of your records. Once you confirm this, the system will start verifying your details. The background check typically takes 1 to 2 business days to complete, though it can occasionally be processed faster. Next, you'll need to upload your driver's license if you haven't already. You will be asked to take clear photos of both the front and back of your license. The app will also ask for real-time profile picture. This is a headshot photo that must match the appearance on your driver's license. The image should be taken directly through the app to ensure authenticity. This profile photo will be visible to customers when you deliver their food, so make sure it's clear and professional looking. After setting your profile picture, you'll move on to providing details about your vehicle. Uber Eats require valid vehicle insurance, so you'll be prompted to take photos of your insurance documents for verification. If your insurance has expired or needs an update, make sure to update the latest version before continuing. After that, you'll be asked to submit your vehicle registration and complete a vehicle inspection. Vehicle inspections are important to ensure that your car is in safe working condition. The app will provide you with an option to find an inspection center where you can take your car for official review. Once you select a location, you can schedule a time for the inspection. This step may take a few days to process depending on how quickly the center submits your results. While your background check and vehicle inspections are being reviewed, you can proceed to set up your payment information. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines on the top left corner of the screen to open the menu, then select Account. Under Account, tap on Payment. Here you'll find an option called Payout. This is where you can add your bank account so the Uber can deposit your earnings directly. If you have driven for Uber before, your payment details might already be on the file. If everything is same, you can leave it as it is. Otherwise, you can update your banking information to ensure your payments go to the correct account. You'll also be able to choose how often you want to receive payouts. Uber offers flexible payment options, allowing drivers to withdraw their earnings weekly or even daily, depending on your region and account setup. Once your background check clears and your documents are approved, Uber will send you a debit card, often called the Uber Eats card, which can be used for certain orders where you need to pay upfront for food or groceries before delivery. To ensure your card reaches you without delays, make sure you've entered your correct mailing address in the app. The debit card typically arrives by mail within a week or two, and you'll need to activate it before it can be used. If you've never had a Uber Eats account before, the app may ask for a few additional pieces of information during the setup process. These might include your social security number for tax purposes, your date of birth, or extra verification documents depending on local regulation. Once all required steps are completed and verified, you'll receive a notification letting you know that your account is active and ready to start accepting delivery requests. From there, you can go online within the app and begin working whenever you choose. One of the great things about Uber Eats is that you have full control over your schedule. You can go online and accept orders when it's convenient for you and go offline when you need a break. After everything is approved, you can start receiving delivery offers directly through the app. When a delivery request pops up, you will see the restaurant name, pickup location, and estimated earnings for that trip. You can either accept or decline the request. Once you accept, the app will provide step by step directions using GPS to help you navigate from the restaurant to the customer's location. You'll also have access to delivery notes, which may include gate codes or instructions for when to leave the order. When the delivery is complete, the app will automatically log your earnings and add them to your bank. Uber Eats drivers can also receive tips directly through the app, and customers are encouraged to tip after the order is completed. Tips are added to your total earnings and can be cashed out along with your delivery pay. For many people, driving for Uber Eats is a flexible way to earn extra income without committing to a fixed schedule. You can work part time, full time, or even a few hours per week. The sign up process is designed to be beginner friendly, and once your background check and documents are verified, you can start earning almost immediately. Uber also provides support through app in case you encounter any issues during sign up or while delivering. If you have trouble uploading documents, verifying your account, or completing the background check, you can contact Uber's help section in the app for assistance. Once your Uber Eats account is active, you can explore additional ways to increase your income. For example, Uber often offers incentive bonuses or quests that reward you for completing a certain number of deliveries within a specific time frame. You might also receive surge pay during busy mealtime or high demand areas. These bonuses can significantly increase your total income if you plan your driving schedule strategically. Additionally, if you ever decide to switch from food delivery to driving passengers, your Uber driver account can be easily upgraded or adjusted to allow that. This flexibility makes Uber a great option for people looking to diversify their income streams. By following all these steps carefully, you'll be ready to start your journey as an Uber Eats driver. It's a simple process that takes a few days to finalize. Once approved, you can enjoy the freedom of working on your own terms, earning money on a schedule that fits your lifestyle. That's all for this video. If it helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this.